Welcome to Long Hair Care Ministry. I am so glad to be back. I have been ill and dealing with a lot of different things, issues, health-related issues, had to have surgery and other things that has happened. But today I wanted to pop in just to share a few tips on how to recover from hair loss, because I know that some of you who are watching may have experienced some type of hair loss, and that's why you clicked on this video. You want to know, okay, I want my hair back. And it is devastating for women, probably for men too as well, when you lose your hair. You lose hair, it's uncontrollable sometimes due to medication, illnesses, things that has happened in your life. Maybe stress and other things that's caused you to lose your hair. But it's no fun to lose your hair when the hair comes out in your hands, gobs of hair, and you see hair in the sink as well. And it's not like hair breakage, it's actually hair shedding, where your hair is actually getting thin. So whether you have baldness or alopecia or all these other things that's happening to your hair, it's just no fun. And so today, I just want to spend a few minutes, a few tips on how to recover from losing your hair. And a lot of times with women, we want our hair to look good, right? This is Long Hair Care Ministry. And so what we do here is talk about the Bible, God, and hair. And so we can even pray and ask God, Lord, restore our hair. We want our hair back, and we've been through situations and taken medications that might be a little strong, which cause hair to fall off your head from your scalp, and particularly chemo treatments and other things that can cause your hair loss due to medications and the drugs that you take and stress and all kind of things. Alopecia, things that you've done to your hair in the past, you're trying to recover. Well, what I want to do is be able to help you to get the hair back. And so just a few tips that I want to share with you really quick here is first, you need to identify, that yes, your hair, you have lost your hair. And get through the devastation of that, because it's no fun losing your hair, especially if you have been growing your hair for years. If your hair has been thick and healthy, you haven't had no problems or concerns about your hair, and all of a sudden your hair is gone. So you find yourself having to wear wigs or weaves, or sometimes you can't even wear extensions because you don't have hair on your head to even sew the extensions on. So it's really sad. And even your edges or your kitchen, your nape area, your top of your hair, your head, and other areas where you're actually losing hair, it's just no fun. And so what I want to be able to do too is to help you to recover from it, and just give you a few tips that I will talk about. Like I said, the reasons for hair loss could be for stress, hormonal changes, poor nutrition, certain medications, illness, genetics, aging, and even harsh hair treatments can all affect the hair growth cycle. And so it's important to understand about the hair cycles, about your strands of hair, your physical emotional stress, nutrition changes. All of these play a good, an intricate part in your hair. So making sure that you're eating healthy. We talked a lot about nutrition, drinking lots and lots of water, hormonal balances as well too. Also your scalp health. You gotta make sure your scalp is healthy. So keeping your scalp clear of dirt and debris. You gotta make sure you're washing your scalp and keeping the pores open as well. And then you also have to just continue to find what products work for you, so that way you could continue to use those on a regular basis, so that way you can get your hair back. So find out what works for you, and do your research and identify, okay, so what can I use? So here are some tips that you can use to recover your hair. So scalp massages, at least 5 to 10 minutes. I've often talked about this in my videos about massaging your scalp to get that blood flow going. This helps to increase the blood flow to your hair follicles and promote healthier scalp. Also rosemary oil. I don't know what it is about rosemary oil, but I'm telling you, the rosemary oil, for some reason, it's too many studies that shows that rosemary oil will help support your hair growth. Particularly in people with pattern hair loss. So something about rosemary, if you want to get the organic rosemary leaves or whatever you want to do it, and then create your own, the overnight method. They have all different types of ways on how you can create your own rosemary oil, or just buy it already in the bottle, organic. And so how you would do it, you would take the two to 3 drops of the rosemary essential oil with 1 tablespoon of some other type of oil. What you do is mix 2 to 3 drops of rosemary essential oil with 1 tablespoon of another type of oil. You can massage into your scalp, leave it for about 30 minutes or overnight before washing. You can do that. Also, coconut oil, aloe vera. Coconut oil may help reduce protein loss from hair strands and improve the hair strength. Aloe vera, we've heard about aloe vera. You can get the real plant. I love how it looks and how it feels. Aloe vera may soothe scalp irritation. Of course, we talked about balanced nutrition. Important nutrients are protein and iron and zinc, vitamin D, biotin, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins A, C, and E. Foods that support hair health are eggs, salmon, lean meats, spinach, sweet potatoes, nuts and seeds, beans and berries. To reduce the hair damage, you want to make sure you're avoiding excessive heat styling, limit harsh chemical treatments, avoid tight hairstyles that pull on the hair, especially where you have that alopecia or that thinning area around your edges and whatever this is. The other area is the other products could be minoxidil. I've seen that a lot. Often so that's 2% or 5% topical foam or solution. It is one of the most studied over-the-counter treatments for hair regrowth in both men and women. Nioxin also is a hair care system designed to improve the appearance of thinning hair and support scalp health. I heard about that, but it says appearance. Does it mean appearance, or is it saying is it going to help it grow back? You don't want stuff that's going to, of course you can get shampoo that has biotin to make it thicken, but you want the actual hair strands to come back, right? So, but that's one of the products they have listed here. The Nutrafol is a dietary supplement formulated to address factors associated with hair thinning, such as stress and nutrition. Then they have also Vistasol, contains marine-derived ingredients and nutrients intended to support healthy hair growth. And so these are just a few things, that I just wanted to mention to kind of go over with you for those who have also hair loss that is rapid or patchy, or there's bald spots, there's scalp is painful, itchy, or inflamed. The hair loss runs in your family and you've used several home remedies and not really seen any help. This is when you need to really see a professional. Consult a dermatologist or get some treatment for it, because you want to make sure, that you're able to recover from your hair loss. And sometimes it takes, going to a dermatologist to have them examining your scalp to see what's going on here, what's happening. But I do want you to recover from hair loss. I am a recipient of that, because I've had hair loss and been trying to recover from it, and due to an illness and so forth. But I believe that God can restore what has been lost, and He does just that. Yes, even with hair. So I want you to pray about it, find the scriptures about it, and work on trying to get your hair back. Don't be discouraged. Don't be sad. It's just hair. Your hair will come back. And just keep doing what you need to do to stay healthy. All right. Make sure that you're not causing any type of stress in your life, and it's affecting your mental health, because you don't want that to happen. So just stay happy, stay joyful, and allow God to help you as you go through this repairing of your lost hair. And I'm sorry that you lost your hair, but do know that your hair can come back. All right. There is hope. All right. There's always hope. Right? Just remember that. All right. Well, thank you all for tuning in to Lone Haircare Ministry. And I'm so glad that, again, I'm sorry for the delay. A lot of times when it's like that means something's going on with my life. And in this case, I was ill and had to have surgery, and other things was happening. But I do want to resume these videos, and I hope that they're blessing you. If it is, please share with other people so they can get their hair back and get their hair to the way they want it to be, because this is an authentic channel. I want to tell you, I want to research, I want to make sure that those who are interested in hair, those who love God, those who want to know about God and the Bible and so on, that's what I'm all about, is God, the Bible, and I love hair. That's what I've just been fascinated with. And if you want to find out more about me, I do have a Bible Talk with Crystal YouTube channel. You can check me out on YouTube. Just type in Bible Talk with Crystal, where I do a dive into God's Word, and I talk about the books of the Bible. All right. Once again, thanks so much for tuning in to Long Hair Care Ministry. May God bless you. Bye now.